Welcome to the Scholars Academy Farm. My name is Ikhlas Mohammed. I'm a senior here. I've been with the farm for about 3 years now, and I'm here to take you on a tour. So follow me in. First of all, before we start anything else, this is our farm dashboard. What this basically does is that it tells us what to plant, when to plant, and also, most importantly, when we harvest the things, when they're ready to go out to our community and our families. So come follow me and we'll show you how these plants get started. So after seeding, which is what our wonderful middle schoolers are doing right now, the plants come to the germination station. Now, just like with soil plants, plants need to germinate first. And what that means is when they sprout. This is the very beginning of their little plant baby lives. Now, as soon as they start sprouted up like this, we then move them over to the SRCs. Now, our SRCs, or the shallow raft cultures, are where the plants spend the rest of their lives until they're ready to be harvested. So if you want to take a follow, come follow me, and you can see that we already have some pretty big plants growing here already. So we have some kale, we have different types of lettuce, and different types of basil. So the greatest thing about our Scholars Academy farm is what we do with our produce. All of this produce you see here goes back into our community one way or another, whether it be with our organization partners like JASA or the Campaign Against Hunger, or even our own school campus, which I'll tell you more about later. So come follow with me. As I've said, those were our SRCs. So now we're gonna go to our VCS, or our vine crop system. And this is the one that's the coolest in the entire farm. So this is where we grow cucumbers. Now, if you have been at Scholars Academy before, or if you're now hearing about us, you will know that we make some incredible pickles. And those pickles come straight from our cucumbers that we grow here. So in addition to these things that we make for donations, like our pickle jars, we also collaborate a lot with the high school drama team, the middle school drama team. We do a lot of refreshments and beverages and dishes. And we also bring our food back to the campus. And what that means is that our cucumbers, our lettuce, our kale, our basil, all of that goes back into what we're eating for lunch every single day and what we're giving back to the community. Thanks.